So here's a house I went to that had some engineered bamboo wood floor. You can see it bubbling and damaged.
So you can see here, it's not maple syrup. You can see the blister on this finish. Watch. Smells sweet. I don't know how it tastes though.
So we started to pull it up and it was just completely wet. We ground everything down. We started to prime it. We poured our flowable cement self-leveler. We let that cure overnight. We acclimated the Cali bamboo wood and then proceeded to use Titebond moisture barrier over the self-leveler, checking the mills on it. It dried in like 2 hours. It was pretty good. Then we proceeded installing the new Cali bamboo engineered wood floor over the self-leveler and the moisture barrier by Titebond. We used Titebond glue. This should have been a floating floor, but the original guys glued down a click system, so we proceeded that way. Turned out killer. We just wrapped it up.